depends where you're watching this amazing vlog from. Today my video start from here. Let me park my motorcycle. Yes guys, it's a chilly morning that God has granted to us. I would like to thank you all my subscribers for tuning in, always watching my video. I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted, guys. Yes, I thank also thank God for the gift of life. Yes, today is a very good morning. It's in morning here in East Africa, Kenya. I come from East Africa, Kenya, in a small village called Nyabohanse village, guys. Yes, it's a chilly morning that God has granted us. It's a sunny day today. You can see, guys. Today my video starts from here at the shamba, guys. Wow. Today I said I have to look for my maize, how they are going growing. Today I said I have to look for my good maize. In the village, people, you have to keep yourself busy in farming, in doing some works. You have to. I was looking here. I did not put enough manure, but here I put a lot. Wow, guys, my maize here, they are very small. So nowadays, even this manure we go to take at the cereal. This manure is fake manure. Nowadays, I don't know how we will do. The manure, they are not doing well in the shamba. Guys, when you go and take into the cereal, you get just only stones, particles of stones, you get them inside. The manure are not that good. Yes guys, I could like to thank you all my subscribers. If you are new to watch this vlog, consider subscribing, sharing and commenting, guys. You keep me going. I really appreciate. Yes guys, today I just wanna thank you all. I have like 2 days to 3 days I haven't posted my video, but guys, don't worry, I'm just around. My beehive are going on. I wanna check if they are going good. You have to check the beehives. Mostly the beehives, you have to check each and every time. Sometimes you get bees are in that mzinga. You get sometimes the beehive. You get bees in the beehive has removed. Now I wanna check how the project is going on. Wow, guys, bees don't like. You can see, guys. Wow, I can hear some smell of honey, guys. I can hear some smell of honey. Bees don't like some noise. You have to take care. Today I wanna show you this project. Yes, it's a nice project. Bees, honey is medicine. Honey is medicine, guys. Wow, there's a lot of bees there. Wow, honey is medicine, guys. Yes, guys, now I wanna show you the beehives. You know, honey is, I was saying honey is very good medicine. If you are suffering from cough, or a small baby is suffering from even coughing, you take one egg, and pure honey. You have to mix it so that you take with a spoon, you give to your baby a small, a little. Just cough will disappear like that, guys. Cough will disappear like that. Now you have to, sometimes small babies are not good in giving them syrup. Now you take that small spoon, mix egg, yolk egg with with uh, with pure honey. The cough will disappear like that. Yes, guys. Now I just wanna leave the beehive. I wanna go and show you what I'm also doing. Yes, I know you know the arrowroot farm. I know you know the maize and the beehive. Yes, guys. So today I said I wanna come and say hello. It's been a while. I've not posted my video like 2 to 3 days, but today I saw I must post one or two. Yes, guys. You can see I'm in a team from Tanzania. You know, yes, Tanzania and Kenya are very close. Hey, Babu. Tanzania and Kenya are very close. This is a friend of mine, bro. Yes, I was saying about this. This is a friend of mine from Tanzania, brought it for me. This is called Younger Africans. Yes, this is a friend of mine. Give it to like a gift. Yes, I really appreciate. I know he is watching this amazing vlog. I really appreciate. He brought it like a gift. Yes, guys. I've seated on top of stone. Yes, guys. Now I'm in a forest. You know me, I like forest. Forest is where you can come. You don't talk to anybody. You just the nature. You just hear the nature, the birds, and you have yourself to be stress free. You relieve yourself stress free. I like forest, guys. If I have a lot of things on my head, a lot of stress, I just come, remove my shoes or sit on a stone like this one. After 2 to 1 hour, I get out when I'm stress free. I like forest, guys. You can see, guys. It's very nice. Very nice. Guys, sometimes life in the village is so amazing. So amazing. You know, you have to see. Sometimes I go a place where there is guavas, mangoes, sugar cane. Yes, guys, even sugar cane. I have to eat. You know, in the village, in the life in the village, things some like guavas. they're for free. Mangoes for free. Just you go climb a tree, take mangoes that you want, take that you can eat and finish. Sugarcane the same. You have to talk to the owner of the shamba. Sugarcane, you have to eat. You know, life in the village just, it's so sweet. Guys, I don't know how I can say, but life in a village is so amazing. Wow. You know, I don't like the noise pollution. When you go to town, the cars, the lorries, the motorcycles, even the aeroplane. Don't like life in town. Maybe I just go in town just like 2 hours, like Migori town, our nearest town here, Migori. It's Migori town. I don't think, yeah, it's Migori, not Kehancha. It's Migori. I don't like life in town. Maybe I go to buy something. Yes, now I'm going to Sirari to bring some. I'm running an errand, just running to go and buy some goods. Yes. Now stay tuned, guys. You'll see me running to Sirari. Wow, it's so amazing. Things here in the village, guys, so amazing. Like now I've just do exercise, climbing the hill. It's like a hill. One day I'll have to, I don't know how I can do it. I have to get a video. I'm harvesting honey, but I always harvest at night. I don't know how I can do it. I don't harvest daytime. You know, the neighbors are near. You can't harvest the daytime. The bees are so dangerous. Now you can't harvest at daytime. One day I'll have amazing video for how I harvest honey here in the village, not in town, in the village, live in the village. I want to show you how I'm harvesting honey. I've just shown you the beehives. I know they're ready for harvesting, but I don't know what I can do to show you how I harvest. Wow. But one time, I'll show you how I harvest honey. Yes. If you want honey, please, if you want honey, just comment on my video. Yes, guys. Now I'm passing in the maze to go to get to the motorcycle. Wow. Life in the village, guys. You can see. Life in the village, Kitulisti. Expensive. Wow, it's sunny, guys. Thank you, God, for the gift of life. The nice sunny, the calm, it's so cool, calm wind. Thank you, God, for the gift of life. Yes, I've just arrived in motorcycle. You can see, guys, now I wanna go run an errand. Guys, the road is so bad.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
The road is so bad, guys. Now you have to concentrate when you are riding in the motorcycle. You have to look very good. The road is so muddy, guys.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
People are so good farmers, guys. People are farming, serious farming. You can see. People are farming, serious farming, and people are cutting trees. Safi sana. This is the dumping site. This is our dumping site, guys. You can see is where we dump the rubbish pit, the everything. Now, guys, my video will end in this position. Wow, the rocks. You can see the rocks, guys. Just parked my motorcycle there at the road. I wanna say thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate, guys. I wanna end my video here. Wow, till next time. Thank you for watching, guys. For the new viewers, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Go with Ole. Consider subscribing, sharing and commenting, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't take it for granted. Check out my village, my lovely village. Everywhere is green. Green. The stones, the nature. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice time, guys. Yes.